This is a 2008 Ford F-150 Super Crew 4x4 with 111,000 miles. Gorgeous truck. Perfect Carfax report, rust-free Texas vehicle. Alloy wheels, running boards, tires are in great shape. Not a door ding or a scratch on this truck. Very, very clean truck. Tow package, sliding rear window. Phenomenal condition. That black sure looks good when it's clean. The vehicle is running. It needs nothing mechanically or cosmetically. It has gone through our shop, 125-point pre-owned inspection. All of our vehicles are low miles and they will need nothing. Gray cloth interior is very, very clean. No rips, stains, or wear marks. Everything works on the vehicle. 111,000 miles, 4x4. Power windows, locks, mirrors, and cruise. So if you're looking for a low mileage, super clean 4x4 truck that doesn't break the bank, this is it. These are hard to find in this price range. So this is a 2008 Ford F-150 XLT Super Crew 4x4, 111,000 miles. It needs absolutely nothing. It's a gorgeous truck.